Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mos from commoncode.com. Today I'm going to talk about pipes in Ionic. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So what is a pipe? A pipe is just a piece of code that will transform your data to a readable format or apply some kind of transformation on your data before it gets displayed to the user. So for example, maybe we have the price and we want to display the discount. And in order to display the discount, we can simply create a pipe that will apply the discount on that price and it will be displayed to the user instead of each time calculating the discount for each single item. So let's create a pipe that will do that. In order to create a pipe, you would just type Ionic and then G for generate and then pipe and then the name of the pipe. Let's name it discount and then hit enter. And on the left you will find that a new folder has been created called pipes, and inside it there is a folder called discount, and inside it we have the discount.ts, which is the file that will apply the discount to our price. But before we start working on the discount pipe class here, make sure to import it into the app.module.ts. So inside the app.module.ts, here we need to import first we type the from and then it's inside the pipes folder, pipes, and then we have the discount folder, and then we need to import the discount.ts, which is just discount. And the name of the class goes here. The name of the class is discount pipe. And finally, we just import it into the declarations array here, discount pipe. And now we can use it. But let's go first to the discount.ts. We have here, by default, we have a function called transform, which is the function that will be used each time you apply this pipe to any piece of data you have. And by default, it's going to use the lowercase, but we don't want to transform our piece of data to a lowercase. What we need to do is to apply some kind of discount. So here we have the value, which is a string. But we aren't going to use a string. Instead, we are going to use a number. So instead of string here, I'm going to use a number. I'm going to change it to a number. And then we have here return value dot to lowercase. I'm going to remove this part. And what we need to return actually is that we need to apply our discount. Suppose that our discount is 15%. So what we need to do is that we need to get that value that we are gonna get and then multiply it by 0.85, which means that it's going to return 85% of the original price, meaning that we applied 15% discount. So this is a discount pipe that will be applied to our price. But the question now, how are we going to use this transform? How are we going to call this function? Actually, it's very simple. You aren't going actually to call this function directly. What are you going to do instead is that in any HTML file, suppose in the home here, we have a div, here div, and we also have, let's say we have h1 tag, and here says here price, and h2, and inside it we have the price. But let's create first the price variable in the home.ts. So here, suppose I have the price, and let's say it's 100. This is the original price, 100. And here in the home.ts, I am going to pass the price. This is the price. But now if I save and run, I am going to get here 100 displayed on the screen. but I want to actually display not just the price, I want to display the discount. So here H2, and instead of displaying just the price, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the price, and then we apply the pipe, the discount pipe, using this sign, and then the name of the pipe. The name of the pipe is discount, just discount. The name of the pipe will be discount without the pipe word, just discount. So now we applied this pipe to the price. So here in the first H2, it should display 100, which is the original price, and here it should display the discount. And let's here just type price or original price, and then here discount. Discount. And let's now save and run. Ionic serve. So as you can see, now we have the price, which is 100, and the discount, the price after discount, is 85. And suppose that you want to change the discount to be 25%, then in the discount pipe, you would just here change this to 75.75. Now, if I save and run, as you can see, I should get here 75. As you can see, it's 75, which means that we apply 25% discount. So this is just an introduction about pipes, and they are amazing in Ionic, and of course in Angular. They will make your life much easier. You don't have to create too many functions and too many classes. They will automatically transform your data to a desirable format. So that's it for this tutorial. If you liked this tutorial, share, like, and subscribe. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.